Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews, how to fix common Roku TV errors. Roku TVs, blending smart streaming with traditional viewing, occasionally glitch due to software bugs, connectivity hiccups, or hardware quirks. This guide covers the top 10 errors users face in 2025, with step-by-step fixes drawn from official Roku support and community insights. Always start with a power cycle. Unplug your TV for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. If issues persist, check for system updates via settings greater than system update. 1 error code 009. No internet connection despite Wi-Fi link. This error means your Roku TV connects to your router but can't access the internet, often from DNS or router misconfigurations. To fix, restart your modem/router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. On the TV, go to Settings greater than Network greater than Advanced Display Name greater than Forget Network, then reconnect with your Wi-Fi password. If it fails, set DNS manually to 8.8.8.8, Google's public DNS, in Network Settings. Test with a wired Ethernet if available. Users report 80% resolution this way. 2 HDCP error. Black screen or no 4K playback. High bandwidth digital content protection, HDCP, mismatches block protected content, especially 4K from Netflix or Prime Video, if your HDMI chain, cable, receiver, TV, isn't HDCP 2.2 compliant. Solution: bypass AV receivers by connecting Roku directly to TV HDMI. If it fails, set DNS manually to 8.8.8.8, Google's public DNS, in Network Settings. In Settings, then Display Type, switch to 1080p temporarily to test. For soundbars, use TV's HDMI ARC. This restores 4K in minutes for most setups. 3 remote not responding or unpaired IR or Bluetooth remotes fail from low batteries, interference, or pairing loss. Quick fix: replace batteries, AA for standard remotes. For enhanced remotes, remove batteries, unplug TV for 10 seconds, reinsert, and press home 5 times near the TV to repair. Avoid placing the TV in cabinets blocking IR signals, relocate if needed. If using a Roku app as a remote, ensure Bluetooth is on in phone settings. Pairing succeeds 90% of the time post battery swap. 4 insufficient power warning, flashing red light. Roku TVs draw power via wall outlet, but external sticks plugged into TV USB may underpower, causing boot failures. Resolution: use the included AC adapter plugged into a wall socket, not USB. Test another outlet or cable. Faulty ones cause 20% of cases. For built-in Roku TVs, ensure firmware is updated. If not, factory reset via the back button, hold 30 seconds. This powers up reliably without hardware swaps. 5 video playback errors, buffering or something went wrong. Choppy streams or error pop-ups stem from weak internet or app glitches. Start by checking speed. Needs 5 megabits per second for HD, 25 megabits per second for 4K. Via settings greater than network greater than check connection. Update the app, home greater than star button greater than check for updates. Remove/re-add the channel via settings greater than advanced system settings. For widespread issues, restart TV and router. Buffering drops 70% after these steps. 6 no sound or audio skew. Silent playback hits from muted settings, loose HDMI, or format mismatches. Verify: press volume on remote, not muted. Check TV speakers versus external audio in settings greater than audio greater than speakers. Set PCM/stereo for HDMI outputs. Unplug/replug cables, swap HDMI ports. For skew, AV sync errors, enable leveling in app audio menus or factory reset. Rebooting audio chain fixes 85% of cases. 7 frozen or unresponsive screen. A locked interface often ties to software overload or overheating. Force restart, settings greater than system greater than power greater than system restart, or unplug 60 seconds. Clear cache via NIC's menu, home 5 times, up twice, right once, left twice, right once on remote. Ensure vents are dust-free and TV isn't in direct sun. If persistent, update OS. Frozen states resolve in under 5 minutes usually. 8 software update failures. Stuck updates block new features and fixes, showing unable to connect errors. Ensure stable Wi-Fi, wired preferred. Retry via settings greater than system update greater than check now. If failed, power cycle and disable VPN/firewalls temporarily. Manual sideload via USB if advanced, download from Roku.com. Updates succeed post-cycle for most, preventing broader glitches. 9 app crashes or won't open. Specific channels like Netflix fail from corruption or incompatibility. Uninstall/reinstall, highlight app greater than remove channel, then search and add back. Clear device storage in settings greater than system greater than advanced more than storage. Check app outages on down detector. For persistent crashes, system restart or reset. This revives apps in 95% of reports. 10 factory reset for persistent errors. Last resort for unresolved issues like boot loops or account lockouts. On TV back, hold reset button 30 seconds, or settings greater than system greater than advanced more than factory reset. You'll relink to your Roku account and reinstall apps. Backup preferences first via Cloud Sync. Effective for 90% of deep bugs, but use sparingly as it erases data. These fixes keep your Roku TV streaming smoothly, most resolve without support calls. For hardware faults, contact Roku at support.roku.com. Pro tip: use Ethernet for stability and update weekly. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.